VICTOG.com.
Next is example 7. The question is, there are 40 students in class 10 of a school, of whom 25 are girls and 15 are boys. The class teacher has to select one student as a class representative. She writes the name of each student on a separate card. The card is being identical. Then she puts cards in a bag and stirs them thoroughly. She then draws one card from the bag. What is the probability that the name written on the card is the name of, first part, a girl, second part, a boy. There are total number 40 students in a class. Total number of students 40. Total number of students is equal to 40. Number of girls is equal to 25. The number of boys is equal to 15. The teacher wants to select one student as a class representative from among 40 students of a class. She writes the name of each student on a slip of paper. Each slips are identical and puts the slips in a bag, then stirs them thoroughly well and takes one card from the bag. What is the probability? The card taken and the name written in the card is the name of a girl. Second part is the card selected, the name written in the card is the name of a boy. First part, probability that the name written on the card, the name written on the card, written on the card is the name of a girl, is the name of a girl. This is equal to the formula for finding probability, number of favorable outcomes, number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes, which is equal to, there are 40 students. Total number of outcomes means total number of students in the class is equal to 40, and the number of girls, number of favorable outcomes is equal to 25. We can simplify this fraction as, for 25 is equal to 5 into 5, 40 is equal to 8 into 5. Cancelling these 5 and 5, the simplest form of the probability is 5 by 8. Second part, probability that the name written on the card is the name of a boy, is the name of a boy. Total number of students in the class is 40 and that is the total number of outcomes, and number of boys is equal to 15 and that is the favorable number of favorable outcomes. 15 is equal to 5 into 3 and 40 is equal to 5 into 8. Cancelling this 5 and 5, it is 3 by 8 is the probability that the name written on the card is the name of a boy, is 3 by 8 is the probability. So here are two cases. One is the name written on the card is the name of a girl, and the second one is the name written on the card is the name of a boy. So here also the total probability is 1. That means 5 by 8 plus 3 by 8. The total probability here also is 1. Okay.